so good. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is Vlogmas day number 3, and today is a very cozy one. I am just chilling at home. I have been relaxing. I put a little bit of makeup on just because I've been breaking out a little bit. I don't know what it is, the holidays, the weather. I'm not sure. It is honestly a little bit gloomy out today, so I decided to make a green tea, and honestly, it is making me feel so warm inside. Of course, using my favorite mug of all time. Literally, I forget where I got this. I want to say like Hallmark, but it says resting Grinch face, and I think it is just so perfect for me. I don't know. I love it. It is like almost 3 p.m. and honestly, I have just been chilling out today. I slept in, which was really nice. Honestly, I think it was like 9:30, 10, so that was really much needed. And then for the past couple of hours, I have literally been on my couch. I've been editing and I have been watching the World Cup. Then I actually got an email from my condo that a package came, so I think I'm gonna share it with you guys. I purchased for the very first time from Oner Active, which is an activewear brand based out of the UK. Chrissy Chella owns it. If you are a fit girl or a fitness girl or a gym girl, you definitely know who she is. She was probably the very first like fitness influencer I looked up to when I started my own fitness journey. So I figured I would actually try her brand out. And I started off small. I got 2 bras, so I'm gonna try them on and show you guys. I just quickly want to show you guys the packaging. So this one's really nice. It's intact, says Oner Active, but this one, I don't know if this came like this or if it happened in transit to me, but there is no zipper on the top, and then like the side of the packaging literally looks like a bear ate it. So not sure what's going on with that, but it's fine. This is the first sports bra, and I don't want to get the name wrong, so it is the Effortless Micro Bralette, and I'm wearing it in a size medium. This green color is called Evergreen, and it is like, I freaking love it. Honestly, right off the bat, I would say this is a very supportive bra. Like, I don't have much going on, but I just feel very secure and comfy, and I'm just loving how it fits. So you have the Oner Active little logo on the left breast. You have a little bit of ruching going down the middle of the bra, which kind of is nice for a girl like me who doesn't have much going on, because it gives a little bit of like an illusion that there is something going on. And honestly, this is the most like high quality thick padding I've ever felt in a sports bra ever. Literally out of any brand I have ever tried, the padding is very thick, and I actually kind of like it. When I first took it out of the packaging, I was like, I feel like it's gonna be like too bulgy or whatever, but like it feels really good. There is also a hole on each side on the inside if you want to take the padding out, but I'm totally keeping it in. Now what I like is the back of the bra. This is what sold me. So basically you can wear it just as a regular sports bra, you know, an open back, spaghetti strap type of thing, or it's very versatile in the sense that it has clips. So you can actually clip it on and make it a crisscross back as well. The second bra that I bought is literally the exact same one. It's the Effortless bra, but I got it in black, of course. Black matches everything, and you can never go wrong with black, so I was like, why not? Especially buying from Oner Active for the first time, I was like, I can't go wrong with something that's black, so that is why I picked up this. Everything is exactly the same, the front, the back. I literally have not been to the gym in like 2 weeks. 1, because my elbow has been killing me, and then 2, I actually sliced my fingers. If you follow me on Instagram, I have been talking about this a lot. It's getting a lot better, so I'm planning on going back to the gym this week, and I feel like I'm gonna be wearing one of these bras for the first day back because they're just so cute. And one thing that I'm really liking about this bra, and honestly the girls that get it, I have gym clothes that like are specifically for certain days. Like I'll only wear, you know, a certain sports bra on leg days, or a certain sports bra on back days, or you know, like leg days is shorts only, on upper body days it's shorts or leggings. So if you're that kind of girl too, you definitely know what I'm talking about. This sports bra, I feel like I can wear on leg days and upper body days because it's so versatile, but more importantly, it is very comfortable. I feel like I can squat in this. I feel like I can jump around in this, do HIIT, even though I don't really do HIIT, but you get what I'm saying. And I may have purchased more stuff from them from their Black Friday sale, which was like 2 weeks ago. So those products should be coming anytime soon. I spent a little bit more money than I wanted to, so it is my Christmas gift to myself. So once that package comes, I'm gonna do a full haul, I think, because I have a feeling I'm really going to like the products. I find myself in my kitchen now because it is so gloomy outside today. It is literally 3:30 and it is starting to get dark already. It's so freaking sad. So I think I'm actually gonna bake. I have the holy grail brownie recipe. I swear to freaking God, if you're watching anything from this video, this is what you need to pay attention to. My husband's mom and sister showed me this recipe a couple of years ago, I want to say. I'm not a huge chocolate person nor a huge brownie person. I never have been that way. But these brownies, I will literally eat till the day I die. I swear on everything. They are so good. The main reason is because a lot of brownies are like dark chocolatey flavored or they're like very fudgy, but the trick with these brownies is actually using Nesquik cocoa powder. A lot of people use this and mix it with milk to make chocolate milk. This is it. This makes it amazing. And I found these Christmas sprinkles in my cupboard, so I think I'm gonna add them on top and make them like Christmas brownies. First things first, we are gonna preheat the oven. So I'm gonna put it on conventional bake at 350. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna turn your stove to about high heat. And you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need just a regular bowl. I use a medium-sized one, and you're gonna need a pot. And you're just gonna fill maybe like an inch of water. So you're gonna add your pot to your stove. The whole point is we want the water to steam up and boil and get hot. You're gonna place the bowl inside, so you need to make sure your bowl fits into your pot. And the whole idea is we want to get the center hot. We want this bowl at the bottom to be hot from the steam. Then you're going to want to add half a cup of unsalted butter and chocolate chips of your choice. I use Great Value. I just buy it from Walmart, and I use milk chocolate because that's what I prefer and it tastes good. And usually I add half of this bag. And as you can see, it's starting to steam, which is a good thing. So add your chocolate chips. And the idea is that the steam and the heat is going to make everything melt. With the steam, you definitely have to be really careful you don't burn yourself. So if you need it to use a glove or anything, please do so. But you just want to mix everything around until it gets melted. Once everything is melted, you're gonna want to turn this down. Usually I put it to like very low. And we're gonna add two things. So first thing is 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And then I'm grabbing my Nesquik. And I honestly just eyeball this. Usually I use like a teaspoon and I do like 3 big spoonfuls. At this point, the mix is gonna be really grainy. Now we're gonna be adding 3 eggs, and you wanna do 1 at a time. So I'm gonna put 1 egg in first, and then I'm gonna mix it all together. Then I'm adding my 2nd egg and repeating. And last but not least, the 3rd egg. Next, you're gonna add a pinch of salt and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and you're gonna mix it all again. And you're doing this all while it's staying on the heat. Then you wanna take a square pan. Honestly, I'm not sure of the size. Maybe it's 12 or 10 by 10 or 12 by 12. And you're just gonna wanna spray it. Make sure you get it good because you don't want the brownies to stick. So I always use a glove for this part because the bowl is gonna be hot, but now you're gonna just pour in all of the brownie batter, and then it's good to go in the oven. But like I said, I wanna make it Christmassy and festive, so I'm gonna add these sprinkles on top before I put it in. Literally just gonna sprinkle them everywhere. And now we're gonna put this in the oven again at 350 for 30 minutes. And voila, it is done. And oh my god, I wish you guys could smell how good this smells. So I'm just gonna place it here. I have like a hot mat underneath, and I'm gonna let it cool down for about 5 minutes before I cut it. It is actually terrifying how dark it gets so early. Like, it is not even 5 o'clock, and look at that. Like, I'm literally about to turn my Christmas lights on. Let me do it, actually. It's honestly so sad and scary. But basically, you guys have seen this, the Christmas tree and our lights, like, wow. It's actually so depressing how dark it gets. It literally feels like it ruins my life. I'm like, I don't want to do anything but be in bed. Like, now I'm literally finding myself going to bed at like 8 p.m. because I'm like, it's so dark. Even look at Kobe, how he's like laying on the couch. He's like so sad. He is like the cutest. Like, please tell me what dog sleeps on a pillow like this. Like, he is actually the sweetest, cutest thing of my life. Yes, you are. I am going to cut this up because I am dying to eat it, and I know Alan is. He can literally smell it from our second bedroom. He's in our, what we call our media room, and he's like, I want to eat those. So I'm just gonna cut it up. I usually cut it in columns of like 4 or 5, but this time I did 4 because I want bigger pieces. These brownies are honestly amazing at any time. Even when they're cold, they're good, but when they are warm, it's just chef's kiss. And now we're gonna eat it. Oh my god. I make these brownies, literally me and Alan finish it in like 2 days, like this whole batch. So it is a little bit later now, and I decided that I am going to wrap. So I have a bunch of my presents here, pretty much everything that I've bought so far, and then I have my wrapping paper. So if you guys watched my very first vlog, I bought this wrapping paper from the dollar store. It's just white with Christmas trees, and then this is the wrapping paper that I had from last year. So I have this one where it's like gingerbreads. I have this one, which is my favorite, honestly. This is the Grinch, and then I just have this very basic one, which is a snowman. And then in here I just have bags, bows, tags, ribbons, whatever it is. I actually already bought some things for Alan for his stocking, so I put that in there. And as well, I already bought him a card, so I added that to the tree. And while I do that, I've actually been watching this show called Wednesday, so it's just the Addams Family, and it's actually so good. Highly recommend. I'm almost done it. It's like a limited series or something like that. Honestly, I've watched so much Christmas movies already. I kind of just want to watch a regular show, and I honestly really just want to finish this one. I forget how many episodes there is. I think 8 or 9, and I'm on 6, so I'm almost done. But like I said, highly recommend. Definitely watch. I don't know why more people are not talking about this show. I've been loving it, like loving it. But anyways, let's get to wrapping.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good.
Total freaking chaos and mess right now on my floor, but I am done everything that I have so far. So this stuff over here is going to my dad's house. This stuff is going to Alan's family's house. This stuff is Alan's gifts so far. And then this I just need to pack away. I do have more gifts to wrap, but they just have not arrived yet. Some stuff I did buy online. So just waiting on those things. They should be here within the next week or so. So I will wrap them at that time, but I have done everything thus far and I'm on schedule, so I'm feeling really good. I like being ahead of the game and just being overall prepared, so I'm feeling good. Oh my god, I am so tired, so I think I'm gonna end this video. It is like, what time is it now? 11:11. Wow, make a wish. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to me down below if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. That helps my channel out and lets me know that you like these types of videos. If you guys have any questions, send me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Good night.